What's the pettiest revenge you've ever seen actually work? Okay, so my coworker Brenda was notorious for stealing everyone's lunch. Not just a bite, we're talking whole sandwiches vanishing. We tried everything, passive-aggressive notes, hiding our food, even labeling it with biohazard stickers. Nothing worked. Then, Sarah from accounting had an idea. She started bringing in tuna salad sandwiches, but instead of tuna, it was cat food mixed with a tiny bit of mayo. Brenda, true to form, stole it. The next day, she showed up looking absolutely green, clutching her stomach. She never stole anyone's lunch again, and the best part, she still doesn't know why that tuna sandwich hit different.